What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Just showing up at Boost Performance. If you saw my other video, like I said, I'm making a couple videos for them, and my car is here right now, so we're gonna check on the status of that. They've been crazy slammed busy, so I don't think they've done too much to it, but I guess we'll see, and I'll show you guys right now. Did you get all three in there?
I got them installed, but I got them for all drills.
Nice. It wasn't that bad, was it? The last one get you?
George did the other one, so all I got to do is just hear about it, and so I was like expecting the worst today.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little update that I had for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the little cinematic clips that I decided to add. Those are already going to be part of Boost's video, so I figured I might as well use a couple for my own vlogging too. But so I'm leaving Boost right now because I got to go to work. So just a little update for you guys. They do have the lower pulley on. They're just torquing it down right now. They already pinned the crank and everything. So they're just torquing everything down, then they just got to put the belts back on. Still got to do the other parts, but they want to knock out the lower pulley first, since that's like the biggest task, I guess you could say. The thing that'll take the longest. So yeah, my drive shaft won't be here till Saturday, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it on quite yet, or if I'll have to come back to Boost to make another appointment, because hopefully my car will be done by Saturday. Is what they're hoping for, and what it doesn't really bother me. It's not like the track's open or anything, but I would like to have it back Saturday for caffeine and cars. But if I don't have it back, it's not too big of a deal. But my drive shaft is not coming in from Livernois until Saturday, so if it comes in the morning, George said he could just throw it on there real quick. But if it comes later in the day, then I'll just have to make another appointment at Boost, which is not a huge deal. It doesn't take that long to do the drive shaft anyways, so they were just hoping that they could get it when they already had the car on the lift, like they do now, because it'd make it a lot easier instead of having to, because by the time I get the drive shaft, they could already have a different car on the lift because they're so busy right now, so they'll have to take another car off the lift, then put mine back on the lift and put the other car back on when mine's done. So just kind of, it's easy stuff, but you know, it's just kind of a hassle when you're trying to work on a bunch of cars and they got a lot of projects going on, but no big deal. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the little update that I had for you. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and the Gap Kevin build continues.